What if one AI tool could make you look like a Hollywood concept artist, even if you can't draw a single line? Millions of people across America are using it, and what they're creating is absolutely jaw-dropping. One prompt, 10 seconds, and the result? Something you'd swear was painted by a professional artist for thousands of dollars. If you've ever stared at a blank screen, wondering how other designers create stunning visuals so fast, this is exactly why. Professional illustrators charge thousands of dollars per project, and most small creators and businesses simply can't afford that. But what if there was a way to create that same professional-level art in under 60 seconds for almost nothing? Midjourney is an artificial intelligence tool that turns your words, any words, into breathtaking, museum-quality artwork within seconds. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need art school. All you need is a few words typed right inside Discord. From college students to CEOs, from stay-at-home parents to professional designers, Midjourney is changing how America creates. First, head to midjourney.net, create your free account, and link it directly to Discord. It takes less than 2 minutes. Join the Midjourney Discord server, go to any newbie channel, and type /imagine, followed by your very first prompt. Your prompt is your brush. Describe exactly what you want to see, and be as specific and cinematic as possible. Watch as the AI builds your image pixel by pixel. In under 15 seconds, something extraordinary appears on your screen. Hit U1 through U4 to upscale your favorite version, and what you get back is ready for print, social media, or client delivery. Save it, drag it, publish it, and your AI artwork is yours to use commercially or creatively, anywhere you need it. Add -AR169 to the end of any prompt and instantly turn your image into a widescreen cinematic masterpiece. The style reference command lets you clone the artistic style of any image and apply it to anything you imagine. Add -chaos100 to your prompt and watch the AI go completely off script, sometimes producing the most viral images you've ever seen. Use the negative prompt parameter to tell Midjourney exactly what not to include and eliminate every flaw before it appears. Copy the seed number from any image you love, and Midjourney will use it to keep your characters perfectly consistent across every scene. The number one beginner mistake: vague prompts. One word gives you a boring result. 20 descriptive words give you a masterpiece. Never forget to include lighting directions in your prompt. Lighting alone can transform a flat, boring image into a cinematic photograph. Always check that you're using the latest version. Midjourney 6 produces images so realistic, you'll question if they're photographs. The stylize parameter is Midjourney's hidden dial for pure artistic quality. Crank it up and watch everything transform. One YouTuber replaced his boring thumbnail with a Midjourney-generated cinematic image, and his click-through rate went up by 600%. One stay-at-home mom built a 6-figure Etsy store selling Midjourney art prints. She works 2 hours a day from her kitchen table. Marketing agencies are using Midjourney to cut content creation time from 40 hours to 40 minutes, and clients can't tell the difference. Teachers, parents, and authors are using Midjourney to illustrate full children's books, professional quality, no art degree required. You can sell AI-generated art prints on Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6 without ever touching a paintbrush and earn passive income every single month. Freelancers are charging $300 to $2,000 per project, using Midjourney to deliver stunning results in a fraction of the time. AI-generated images are being accepted on stock platforms worldwide. Every image you upload can earn you royalties for years. If you master Midjourney today, you can teach it tomorrow. Online course creators are earning tens of thousands of dollars sharing exactly what you're learning right now. Stack your prompts like a film director: subject, environment, lighting, camera angle, mood, and style, and you'll generate images indistinguishable from Hollywood concept art. You can feed Midjourney any image as a reference and transform it into an entirely different world, style, or universe. The blend command lets you merge 2 completely different images into something that has never existed before, and the results are often jaw-dropping. True professionals use Midjourney to build an entire visual brand identity: consistent colors, styles, and characters that audiences recognize instantly. Midjourney is just the beginning. Combine it with Photoshop, Canva, and video tools, and you have a complete professional content creation pipeline. 6 months ago, he had no clients and no portfolio. Today, he's billing $12,000 a month, all because he decided to learn one tool. We are living through a creative revolution, and the people who start today will be the artists, the entrepreneurs, and the innovators who lead tomorrow. Every masterpiece starts with a single prompt. The question is, will yours be the one that changes everything? If Midjourney can do this, imagine what you'll create. Hit subscribe, drop a comment below with your first prompt idea, and let's build something incredible together. Add real camera equipment names to your prompts and watch Midjourney produce images that look like they belong in a Netflix series. The most powerful Midjourney prompt words aren't technical, they're emotional. Describe how an image should feel, and watch the AI feel it too. With permutation prompts, you generate dozens of unique variations. In one command, finding the perfect image has never been faster. Independent authors are using Midjourney to create bestseller quality book covers saved, in thousands in design fees, and launching their books in days. Fashion designers are using Midjourney to pitch entire collections before spending a single dollar on fabric and getting funded based on eye concepts alone. Never copy other creators' prompts. Exactly develop your own prompt style, your own voice, and your own visual identity from day one. Some Midjourney artists are minting their best work as digital collectibles and building communities of collectors around their unique visual style. Content creators are using Midjourney to pitch and produce sponsored content for major brands, commanding premium rates for AI-powered visual storytelling. Hollywood directors and indie filmmakers are using Midjourney to pre-visualize entire films before a single camera rolls. Storyboards that once cost $50,000 now cost $50. Architects and interior designers are using Midjourney to show clients their vision before construction begins, closing deals faster than ever before. Type Disney Pixar animation style in your prompt and create characters so magical, your kids will think they came straight from the movie screen. With the right prompt, Midjourney creates poem, art-rate photography so realistic that professional photographers have mistaken it for actual camera work. Your thumbnail is the most important frame in your entire video, and Midjourney can make it look like it was shot by a Hollywood cinematographer. The future of art isn't artificial, it's amplified. And it starts with exactly what you learned today. Everything you saw in this video was created with simple text prompts. And starting today, this is exactly what you can make too. Drop your very first Midjourney creation in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll feature the best in next week's video. There are dozens of AI art tools available today, but when it comes to cinematic quality and creative control, Midjourney is still in a class of its own. Midjourney starts at just $10 a month. That's less than 2 coffees for unlimited access to the most powerful AI image tool on the planet. Paid Midjourney subscribers get full commercial usage rights, meaning every image you create is yours to sell, publish, or license however you choose. 6 steps, 1 tool. Infinite possibilities. You now have everything you need to start creating stunning AI art. Starting. Go right now. Real people, real results, real transformation, and it all started with one decision to try something new. 1 wall, 1 year of creativity, 1 AI tool that made all of this possible, and it's waiting for you right now. Imagine what the next generation will create, growing up with tools that make the impossible effortlessly real. Science fiction worlds that used to take concept artists months to create, Midjourney renders them in under 10 seconds. Midjourney doesn't just create fantasy, it creates nature photography so stunning that wildlife photographers are genuinely unsettled by it. Sports fans are using Midjourney to create poster-quality images of their favorite moments, and the results would belong on any stadium wall. The most advanced Midjourney creators build their images in layers, first the world, then the people, then the emotion, creating complete cinematic universes prompt by prompt. With this much creative power comes one important truth: use it to create beauty, to tell stories, and to make the world more inspired than you found it. Subscribe right now, because every week we dive deeper into the tools, the techniques, and the secrets that are changing what it means to be a creator in America today. The best Midjourney creators keep a living prompt library, every successful combination saved and organized for future use. The Midjourney community is one of the most inspiring places on the internet. Join a group, share your work, and watch your skills multiply. Teachers across America are discovering that AI-generated visuals bring history and science to life in ways textbooks never could. Midjourney is evolving at an unprecedented speed, and what's coming in the next 12 months will make everything you've seen today look like just the beginning. The cursor is blinking, the prompt box is empty, and everything you need to change your creative life is already inside you. All you have to do is type.